sumayaw, kayo ba sa lawas? Labi ko nakalibong, may bakidok-kidok kapagad, titik sa ni mga siki, labyo ka ni mga kamot, labi na kong tiyap sa abdukar, kita'y minggagat, ikaw mo sumayaw.
Do it consistently and you will surprise the results. The wonders of meditation, benefits to your mind and body. Presentation overview, talking poems. Why meditate? Benefits of meditations on the body by the numbers of meditating thus mainstream, how to meditate anywhere, types of meditation and meditation in everyday life. Why meditate? A day treat you love to do over and over. The thing about meditation is you become more and more you by day Lynch. Benefits of meditation on the body: lower cholesterol, more restful sleep, decreased blood pressure. 18% increase in people meditating. 60% of people with anxiety showed improvements. 75% of insomniacs sleep better after meditating. Meditation goes mainstream. Overall rise in people getting interested in meditation. Starting with meditation, why you need to know. Presentations are communication tools that can be used as lectures, speeches, speeches, reports, and more. It is mostly presented before an audience. It serves a variety of purposes, making presentations powerful tools for convincing and teaching. What you need: a comfortable seat, a timer, a quiet space. How to meditate anywhere: meditating in private or meditating in public. Guided mantra and visualization. Types of meditation: find out what works best for you. Focus animation, body scan, reflection, and yoga. Guided meditation, unguided meditation. Meditation in daily life. Deep meditation: calm your body, affirm your intention. Calm your body, affirm your intention. How to sit when meditating: don't worry about hand placement. Sit straight, look straight downward. How to prepare for meditation: focus on your breath, clear your head, get comfortable. Meditation hacks: count, take a walk, go for a drive, declutter the minds of writing. Everyday meditation: set your time for 10 minutes, pick a gentle alarm. When you cannot concentrate, start counting. Everyday meditation, quick meditation sessions. Focus on your in-breath. Don't be hard on yourself if your mind wanders. Meditation in action. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to hit subscribe and Vlog TV and hit notification bell all so that you will be notified for my future uploads and updates. So God bless everyone.